Hello everyone, welcome again to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel, and if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Today I'm making Ghana coconut ice cream, and this ice cream is on another level, trust me. So let's get started. And of course, we're going to need our coconut, and this is a 2 medium size coconut, and it's very matured as well. So that I have in my evaporated milk. You can use powdered milk if you want, but I choose to use this evaporated milk. So that I have in my 1/4 cup of sugar, and also my ice cream containers and my sticks as well. So let's get right into the video. To a bowl, I'll crack in my coconut, and this coconut is really matured, so I really find it difficult whilst cracking it. Alright, so in a clean bowl, I'll pour all my water in it. The coconut water, because I'll be using it to blend my coconut as well. Next, I'll be cutting up my coconut into smaller sizes because I'm going to blend this. If you want to grate it, you can feel free to grate it, but when you grate it, trust me, you're not going to get enough juice out of it whilst grating it. So I'll blend it so that I will get enough juices out of it. So to a blender, I'll add in my coconut water and coconut as well. Add a little bit of water to it and blend until this becomes very smooth. And for better results, always use the matured coconut. I don't know of the soft one, but I always use the hard one, so please make sure you use the matured coconut to get the perfect results. So next, I'll be needing just the coconut juice. So I need a clean chiffon cloth to strain the juice from the chaff. Yes. And don't forget to like this video if you like it, comment and share this video to reach wider audience. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me from day one. I really appreciate. And this is the chaff from the coconut, and I don't need in this recipe, so I'll set this aside. So next, I'll add about 5 tablespoons of sugar. To that, I'll add in my evaporated milk. I thought I would use a lot of sugar in this, trust me. This looks better without even the sugar. It tastes really good, trust me, so you can't miss this recipe at all. Try to do this at home for your kids, your family, and everyone in your family will love making it, trust me. So you can add in vanilla extract, pineapple, strawberry, any flavor you want. It works perfectly fine, but I choose to go with this, and it was okay for me, trust me. So I'll stir until all the sugar has dissolved in this very well, and our coconut ice cream is ready and nicely done. Just look at how simple and easy you can make your own coconut ice cream. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you are done with just 3 ingredients as well. So next, I'm going to put my ice cream inside my ice cream containers and keep this in my refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. Alright, so it's been about 8 hours of freezing our ice creams, and it's ready. You can enjoy this ice cream with your cake, your biscuit. Your kids will love it, trust me. You can even do this and sell it and make profit out of it, trust me. And now let's remove our ice creams from our containers. Yes, and just see how I was able to remove the ice cream from the containers. Simple as that. If you find it difficult removing the ice cream, trust me, you can put this in water for at least 30 seconds before you remove it, and our ice creams are ready and nicely done. And if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. I am so grateful to you guys. And please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share this video, and please click on the post notification bell as well so that you'll be the first person to be notified. Bye bye and stay blessed.